So next one is the variable capacitor. Now the capacitance of a capacitor depends on the area of the plates and the distance between them. We can vary both to achieve variable capacitor. We generally don't vary the distance, but we vary the area. So this is the principle. Here we have two set of plates, one moving plate and one static plate, and a shaft is connected to the moving plate to rotate it. Now in this position, the area between the two plates is almost negligible. So we have negligible capacitance. So this figure on the right shows an array of plates like this. So if we rotate the moving plate, so we can see the cross-sectional area has increased. So because of the increase in area between the plates, now the capacitance will increase. And if we further rotate it, then the area is maximum, so we get the maximum value of the capacitance. So the same has been shown in the figure on the right. So by just moving the shaft, we can vary the area and thus the capacitance. The variable capacitors can be divided into two types. First one is the tuning capacitor. Tuning capacitors are variable capacitor for continuously varying the capacitance. They have the ability to withstand mechanical shocks or vibrations. So on the right hand side you can see the tuning capacitor. These are the stationary plates and these are the moving plates, which can be rotated using the shaft. So the next one is the trimming capacitor. Trimmer capacitors are small sized variable capacitors which serve the purpose of initial calibration of equipment during manufacturing or servicing. They are cheaper and used for fine variation of the capacitance of the tuned circuit. So on the right hand side you can see there is a small screw. So we can vary the capacitance using a screwdriver. But we have to make sure screwdriver does not contain any metal, otherwise it will vary the capacitance. So screwdriver should be of plastic. Now the dielectrics used for variable capacitors. The dielectric can be of air, it can be ceramic, plastic, mica, mylar, etc. depending upon the application. Now the final terminology is that of the ganged capacitor. A gang capacitor is a combination of two or more variable capacitors mounted on a common shaft to continuously change the capacitance of grouped capacitors. It is normally used with short wave radio equipment.